Hello, freelancers. Imagine working with the waves of the ocean in the background. In this section, we will be sharing with you some amazing freelance gigs that allow you to work from anywhere. Whether it's your cozy home or a tropical beach, get ready to find the ultimate work-life balance. In this guide, we'll explore how you can land jobs at Birmingham Translation Agency, a reputable company in the industry. With an impressive portfolio of over 200 languages, BTA can connect you with diverse translation opportunities. To begin your journey with BTA, visit their website and click on the Work for Us button. This will take you to a page that outlines the application procedure and requirements. For those of you looking for more translation and interpretation opportunities, we have a PDF book that contains over 1,000 translation and interpretation jobs. It's available for purchase at ko-fi.com and also on amazon.com. Check the link in the description and take your skills to the next level. If you want to watch more videos like this, please check out this playlist.